ću fotkat da ti snimim.
Ej, let's go. Пойдем смотрим. Ребята, всем. Давай. Serbia, Kosovo. Serbia, Kosovo.
What do you expect from Serbia?
We expect that you pass this group stage.
When you come?
We come from Moscow. Spartak Moscow fans.
Only for World Cup?
Serbia matches and some Argentinian matches. Yes.
Playoff. Maybe
Yeah, vloggers from Serbia.
We are journalists from Serbia.
Journalists.
Yes.
From Serbia, yes.
A lot of people from Russia come to support you guys.
How do you know maybe number of fans from Russia?
Number, I think on the Brazil will be 300. 300, yes. A lot of
From
fans.
Russia?
From Russia. Only from Russia. From Serbia, I don't know. You must know.
Maybe 4,000.
I know that flash mob. You know that flash mob will be on the match with Brazil. All the guys, all the come in the white shorts. Serbia and Russia brothers forever. Yeah, such flash mob will be.
You are a fan of Spartak Moscow and
Yeah, Spartak Moscow. Yeah.
did you ever been in Belgrade? Maybe
In Belgrade.
Yeah.
Yes, on Crvena Zvezda.
on the derby or
On derby with Partizan.
what do you expect from game against Brazil?
I think with Brazil, Serbia will make a draw. I expect. So. But for me, the most match that I want to watch is with Switzerland, and I hope Serbia will win.
Why? Why with Switzerland?
You know, it's political. Yeah. Serbia is the best.